The muscle of facial expression is a group of striated skeletal muscles supplied by the seventh cranial nerve or the facial nerve that among other things control facial expression. Its location is in the subcutaneous tissue originating from bone and inserting onto the skin. Its origin is in the surface of the skull. So, they are obviously innervated by the facial nerve and it moves the skin rather than a joint when they contract. As by contracting, the muscles pull on the skin and exert their effect as they are the only group of muscles that insert into the skin. It is said to be that many of the muscles of facial expressions insert into the skin surrounding the eyelids, nose, and mouth, producing facial expressions by moving the skin rather than a bone. So there are 6 divisions of the muscles of facial expressions. First one is the oral group, which consists of orbicularis oris, buccinator, and various smaller muscles. So the oral group is responsible for the movement of lips and mouth. Additional info is that the depressor or levator is if the muscle is above the lip, it will elevate, and it will contain the word levator and vice versa. Labii means lip. Superioris or inferioris refers to the upper or the lower lip, and anguli means the corner or the angle. Next one is the nasal group, which consists of the compressor naris, dilator naris, depressor septi, as well as the procerus. So, the nasal group of the facial muscles are associated with the movements of nose and the skin around it. Note that the nasalis is the largest among the nasal muscles. Third one is the orbital group that consists the orbicularis oculi as well as the corrugator supercilii. The orbital group contains 2 muscles associated with the eye socket, and these muscles control the movements of the eyelids, important in protecting the cornea from damage. The fourth one is the auricular group, which consists the following, and these are the auricular anterior, auricular superior, and the auricular posterior. The auricular group provides movement of the auricle and are innervated by the temporal and the posterior auricular branches of the facial nerve. Fifth one is the scalp group. It comprises the epicranial group of the muscles of facial expression. Last but not the least is the neck group, which wrinkles the skin of the neck. That's all. Thank you.